At Heveya, we bring our passion for preserving the outdoors, indoors. From our organic latex mattresses to super soft sheets, all our products are made from natural materials. Everything we do is environmentally conscious, so all you need to do is make the switch. And enjoy when comfort meets nature. While you sleep, you will protect some of the world's most magnificent rainforests. Our lives depend on the earth, so we are working with Replant and their indigenous partners to give back. In 2022, Heveya has pledged to plant 12,000 trees with our customers. Together, we are restoring nature, solving climate change, supporting children's education, and providing jobs. And we are happy you joined us. Thanks for saving the world while you sleep.